The first thing ever created was a pen. That's just beyond our understanding. And that pen was commanded only to do one thing. First, it was only given one word. Uktub, write. That's it. It was told, write. The pen said, what should I write? Allah said, write everything that will ever happen from this point on. And then the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said something when he made his ascension into the heavens, the Isra wal Miraj. He said what? When he came back, he said, the pen has been lifted and the ink is dry. In that book that was writing from the beginning of time, he said the pen has been lifted and the ink is dry, meaning it's what is commanded to be done will be done. I want all of you to think about something today. I want you to think about this for them. And the first time I ever thought about this, it really overwhelmed me. And it overwhelms me every single time I think about it. Somewhere in that book, and now I'm going to tell you something about me. Somewhere in that book, Allah commanded that pen to write, Yusha, Joshua Evans will become a Muslim. Somewhere in that book, the creator of all that exists saw something within the creation of me that he valued to the point to where he decided that I would be guided to the right path. Just thinking about that really overwhelms me, because that was before anything ever existed. Allah wrote in that book, you would be a Muslim. Or he wrote in that book that you would come here today and hear these words. That means he valued you enough. The Creator favored you enough to place you either as a Muslim or in this gathering. What are you doing with your life to repay him? What are you doing with your life to repay him? That's something I didn't ask for, and I didn't do anything to deserve because I had not been created yet. But for some reason, the Creator said, you will be a Muslim. I can't do anything to give that back. I can't repay that. If you gave me 100 lifetimes upon guidance, I would not even come close to scratching the surface of being able to repay that debt to my Creator. So what do? I try every day to do as much as I can.